So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money on capital.com. So the first thing you want to do is to open up capital.com. So it's going to look something like this, and once you're logged into your account, your trading platform will also appear similarly to this. Through there you can see the capital.com home button, then night and day modes, your inbox, your pie chart. You can see your registration, some available funds info, the currency, and the account type. Now, in order to withdraw money, you will need to go to the left side of the screen and see for settings. So let's click on settings. Through there, you can see my accounts, personal details, two-factor authentication, API integrations, device activity notifications, and platform settings. So by clicking on my accounts, you can see live accounts or demo accounts. You can switch between those. And you can open up this, and you can see here top up 10,000 trading options and rename. So you can see the trading mode, and if you switch to live accounts, you'll from that point see withdraw funds. But that all needs to happen after you've completed your registration of your account. Once that's done, you can go through live accounts and withdraw funds through there. So that's how you can get your funds, and it's going to be then readily available to that payout method that you've added. So in this case, that could be your bank account, some other apps, some different stuff that capital.com offers you. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on capital.com or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.